Hi, my name is Lana Mason, and I am excited to talk to you about Footprints Floors, which is one of the hottest brands in the home services industry. This is going to be a brief overview video, but if you feel like some of these things really connect with you and it's what you're looking for, please reach out and happy to get you some more information. So I am going to highlight just the really general top reasons why you might be interested in owning a Footprints Floors. And again, if you need any more details, please reach out. So I'm going to hop into each one of these in detail here, starting with our low investment and quick returns. As you can see, the investment on a Footprints Floors is extremely low. It starts at about $78,000, and we have owners that will validate that they are recouping that investment extremely quickly. So if and when you do get to the validation step in the process, where you're able to talk to owners in the system, you're going to be able to hear just how happy they are. Just to give you a little idea of the amount of revenue that's being generated, these are based on our multi-unit owners. Most owners in the Footprints Floor system do have 2 territories. It is not a requirement, though. You absolutely could just have 1. But as you can see here, the average gross sales are extremely high, as is the average gross profit. So Footprints Floors does have great profit margins. There's not a lot of overhead with this business. It is pretty simple to run. And I'm going to kind of hop into how all of that works. A lot of that is because we are one home based. So we do not require a lease, a build out, none of those headaches. We also do not require any employees. So everyone doing the actual flooring work is a subcontractor. The franchise owner is not doing any of the flooring themselves. They are hiring subcontractors who are only installing floors. We do not sell the flooring product, which allows us to have minimal overhead. So we really don't have any inventory in this business. Our customers are going out, they're purchasing their flooring, we're coming in and doing the installation for typically significantly less than any big box stores where you might be buying flooring from. There's a lot of control and predictability in this brand. A lot of our owners came from corporate backgrounds. They were on the road 60, 70 hours a week, and they really wanted something where they were able to spend more time with their families, slow their lives down a little bit, be home more often, be more present. So this is an appointments-based business. There are no emergency calls in the flooring world, and everything is scheduled around the owner's availability. So it is really up to you to determine when you're going to be available to go out and give those estimates, go out and check in on jobs, and when you need to block time off for a kid's soccer game or you want to hit the gym. So there is really strong work-life balance with this brand. There is also the assistance from corporate that you might not find in other franchise concepts. So corporate at Footprints Floors actually helps you to find your customers. You are going to have customers the day your business launches, and marketing is just not something that you're going to have to worry about. So you would allocate a budget to the Footprints Floors corporate team. They are going to go out on these construction portals, Angie's List, Home Advisor, wherever it may be, and they're going to advertise your business. From there, you are going to have customers coming in. Of course, we do ask that you do some local advertising, but if marketing is not your strong suit or you're concerned about joining a brand and you just don't know how you're going to get customers, Footprints Floors is a great option for you to look at. Not only does corporate assist in generating customers for you, but they also do have a corporate call center. So corporate does all of your appointment scheduling. They're the initial contact for any new customers. All of the follow-up is all taken off your plate and done by the Footprints Floors team. So again, they're doing the marketing, they're finding the customers, then they're going out and scheduling the customers, and it really allows you to focus on what's going to actually generate you revenue, booking those estimates and making sure jobs are completed up to the customer's liking. And here you can see just briefly the investment on a Footprints Floors, again, extremely low. That franchise fee is there based on the amount that you would want to purchase. We are SBA approved, and we do charge a 6% monthly royalty. So again, if you have any questions, please reach out to the person that sent you this video. We are happy to talk to you and dive a little bit more in depth into each one of these options.